Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since I've been on my channel and I finally decided to try out some West Kiss hair. So they actually sent me a 30-inch curly wig, and you guys, when I say I'm in love, I'm so in love. They also sent me some nice goodies. They actually sent me a nice silk blue bonnet, and of course we are gonna wear those in public. They also sent me a nice scarf and of course some lashes, and some nice lashes at that, and a nice silk bag, and of course a cap. Today, you guys, I'm actually getting my install done from my local hairstylist here in the Bay Area. And honestly, you guys, when I say this lady is so bomb, like, I enjoy every install. Now, I normally do my own hair, but if I have like a photo shoot, an event, something that requires my hair to be professionally done, I like to do just that. So I am with my hairstylist today, and she's going to pretty much install this West Kiss hair on me. And I will give you guys some looks and include also my photo shoot photos that I actually taken, after I had gotten my hair done. Well, with my hair, you guys, I actually like to keep my braid pattern in for a while, but today I got my hair washed, I got it conditioned, and you guys, I'm in heaven. The best thing, I swear, about getting your hair done, you guys, is the wash. Like, I hate when hairstylists be like, come wash, come dry. That's the best damn part. Like, I like to have somebody else wash my hair, and it saddens me that some hairstylists actually take that away. But my hairstylist, she doesn't. She is totally amazing. She does the work. She even did, like, I think a deep condition this day. But with my braid down, you guys, she always braids it in this pattern, and it works well for me because my installs are super flat. Like, I honestly hate to get my hair done and like my hair is super bulky under, and honestly, if it was done by me, it'd probably be like that because my nails are super long. And girls, I be trying to get a braid back so damn quick. Like, I can braid my own hair, but it will never look like that, like, as good as her install, because she's doing it on me versus me doing it on myself. But yeah, just stay tuned, you guys. We're gonna get right into the install. So right here, you guys, she's going to be adding on my cap. And honestly, I don't even wear a cap, but sometimes I do. I've learned that they do protect my edges the best. But I also learned too just recently that it's kind of best to take breaks from wigs, because either or, regardless of wearing a cap, not wearing a cap, your edges need air, they need space to breathe, they need to be oiled, they need to be taken care of. And when you got them covered, continuously throughout the year, every month, every season, that can also, be a lot of, I guess, a lot of tension on them. So I do like to give them a break here and there. But right here, she's pretty much applying makeup to my cap so that it can match my wig. One thing I did learn about West Kiss, you guys, is that the wig is actually HD. And when I say HD, this is super HD. Like, I felt so bomb having this on my scalp, and just the way it looked. Like, I'm normally getting darker laces that don't match, and you can kind of see them very easy. But with this HD wig, I just felt like the lace looked super, super, super good and very much undetectable. So good job, West Kiss, on that, because when they actually say it's undetectable, they were not lying. Best friends, look at that lace. And let me just add that I love plucking my lace, you guys, and I didn't even get a chance to pluck this lace like that. I asked her if she could pluck it just a little bit for me, because we were both running out of time. I had to catch a flight and it was already getting late. But you guys know what's crazy is that we didn't really even pluck this wig like that. This is the natural hairline of this undetectable HD lace. And if you just look at it, you guys, like, it looks really, really bomb. Like, I am super excited about the way this actually turned out. And then if you look closely, you can tell that the HD lace is much thinner than like the normal lace, and I think that's what helped it lay much flatter and look more, of course, undetectable. So yeah, I highly recommend an HD lace, and I actually will only be buying those from here on out. So as my hairstylist pretty much glues my wig down, she likes to go with like a couple layers. First at the top, then the sides. One thing I did notice about my wig is that I wish I kind of probably measured my head a little bit better. As you guys know, I have a big ass head, and I do feel like we were kind of stretching the wig a little bit just to fit, but it was also that really tight fit that I actually like. Like, it wasn't to the point where it was too small. You guys, oh my goodness, just look at that. Just look at it. I just feel like this wig blended so well with my skin tone. Like, it was almost perfect, like literally perfect. And I do feel like this is one of those wigs that you can kind of even get away with not even wearing a cap under. Of course we use it to protect our hair, but yeah. So as you see, she is going side by side and ensuring that she gets in every single spot to ensure that that glue is laid. And when I say this install actually lasted me about 2.5 weeks. So, and that's without even having to re-glue and things like that. I went on a photo shoot where it was like really hot. I traveled. I don't know if I hit the gym. Don't get me to start lying. I don't think I hit the gym, but the install definitely lasted me about 2.5 weeks. So to ensure that I give you all the actual specs of this wig, it is 30 inches. It's a 13 by 4. Although I do feel like the parting space was really, really nice. I had a lot of parting space, but I only did the middle part. So I feel like it went far enough. Like, you know, it wasn't too short. You know, I know we all have received that wig that they said 13 by 4 and it felt like 13 by 2. But this wig actually gives me more of a 13 by 6 vibes. You will see more towards the end how far back my part went. I did not get versatile with this wig. I actually did once. I put 2 braids in it and it almost behaved like a full lace wig, which is pretty cool. I will add in some photos, like I said, in the end of my photo shoot and the looks that I gave with this. But yeah, so if you want to order this wig, all of the codes and links will be down below. And also, if you are still watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, to press the like button, and also leave a comment about how you like this install. And don't forget to put on the bell notifications. Thank you guys again so much for watching. So when I actually did my photo shoot, a lot of you guys were hitting me up, asking me what hair I was wearing. And of course, you guys now know it's West Kiss, but also how long the shipping was. Honestly, I got this order within 3 to 4 business days. It maybe came on the 4th day, but it wasn't a long wait. And also it was over the weekend. So that's one thing I can say. And the company was very communicative with me. Like, they let me know when it was coming. I got the tracking number actually the same business day. So for me, that was like a win-win. And as you see, she is tying down where she laid my baby hairs so that she can begin styling. I honestly have been trying out middle parts more than ever. I normally love side parts, but I feel like with this type of long hair, like a middle part just really flowed for me. And I really liked it. Another thing that I did not mention to you guys as well is that when I took this hair out of the package, I feel like it was soft to begin with. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel the vibe of not so good curly hair from the back. Like, I can feel when like the hair is either rough or it just tangles a lot right out of the package. Like, just right out of the package, the hair was super soft. off, and that is something that I really liked. Like, look, just look how big the hair is. Oh, I didn't mention also, this is 250 density, so this is a lot of hair. I did not, again, I didn't even pluck much. She just plucked my parting and just a little bit in the front, but it's a lot of hair. And I believe I also asked her to layer it a little bit for me and thin it out so that it fit, you know, it framed my face. When I honestly tell you guys, I was really feeling myself with this wig. Like, this was one of them wigs that you wearing that you just like, damn, like, my hair is really fucking nice. And like, I'm not even trying to put it on thick, but like, this wig is everything. Like, I was honestly shocked. I was shocked to get this like nice. And honestly, I was a little scared when I left the salon because it just was a lot of hair, but it just makes you feel sexy. It's big, it's full. Like, it was everything that it said that it was going to be. Like, honestly, it gave what it's supposed to give. Like, but I highly recommend this wig. It's beautiful. And then she did wet it partially at the salon, but I wet it a lot more when I got home, and I did like the really, really wet look from it. And I am going to include some clips and some, you know, some styles that I did with it, of course, with my photo shoot. But yeah, you guys, this is the ending look. This is exactly how it looked towards the end. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys tune in to more of my videos. Please like and subscribe and put that bell notification on.